Guys, on today's video I wanted to show you how I'm going to clean suede and a canvas bag. And there's my crazy dog Sky. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Come here, come here. Anyway, so yes, video will be about cleaning bags. I'll show you some photos of how the bags look like before, what I use to clean them, and how they turn out. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you, give you an idea of how to clean suede or canvas bags that are very dirty and make them look decent and sellable. So I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to subscribe and like and share if you know somebody who needs help cleaning them. I am not an expert. This is how it worked for me before, and I'm just wanting to share it with you. So enjoy, and thanks for watching. Clean the suede bag. Has some water stains, some dirt, and I tried before and I used just laundry detergent and I rub it in, make sure it dries, and then afterwards I will rub it with like a suede brush and suede cleaner, and usually they look great. So we'll try it and we'll show you how it looks after. So this is what I'm doing. There's water with soap. I see those brownish area, just wear, just dirt. So I'll rub it in. And when I'm done rubbing the worst spots, then I'll take a cloth, make it damp, and just kind of run it everywhere to make it have even color. So I'll just kind of get it all wet evenly so it doesn't look like this, like spots. And then I'll let it dry. So here's the bag, all wet evenly, and now I'm gonna let it dry. Bag, I just wet it and run it with a little bit soap. I'm not hoping for the best, but it had a bunch of spots and they're already getting lighter. I'm gonna rub it a little more. This is how it looked before. So I'm gonna get it evenly wet and then rub it. See how there's like really dirty areas? Those are gonna come off. Mixing off the soap, and that looks much better already. I wouldn't do that if it was all leather, but this only has leather accents, which I don't really wash much. I'm mostly focused on the fabric, and I use my rug and rub it in. After, you might want to spread some old towels. This one already had that super soaked bag on, so I'm gonna put it here. Make sure it can dry. And I'll put the rest. Make sure this one had only the inside wet, but some genius sewn it in, whoever designed it. Coach is way better because you can take it out, and I guess Michael Kors too, and it's easier to clean. I mean, makes sense. So here's the blue bag. You want to put it on some old towel because it might lose some color on it, and just spread it so it dries evenly and so it's flat, not too wrinkled. And then when it's dry, you rub it with the brush, which I will show you later. So here's the suede bag afterwards. The suede is a little bit stiff, but it will get better with this brush, which you can get on Amazon. It's a suede brush, and it does, if we need to clean anything else, it's like a special suede eraser. And I am pretty happy. It looks much better than on the video, but I don't know if you remember, this area was almost black brown, very dirty on the bottom. It's pretty clean now. It's shadow now, maybe. And this is the front, which has not been brushed yet. So now what we're gonna do is just give it back the softness of suede, and you just have to kind of rub it for a while evenly everywhere, and it already is getting softer here. So I'm just gonna do that all around and I'll show you the end result. Here's the video after, and this is very soft now. There's few areas that were discoloration and they did not come off, but it's not really major. And I don't know if you remember, those corners were black brown and under. Now looks nice, and this side looks amazing, I would say, and it's very soft and clean. Looks really good. So don't be afraid to wash it. I wouldn't use like OxyClean, because I think that's what I tried using here and it kind of left the mark. But at least it's clean versus really dark. And here's the other bag. Oh, there's something here, but this is just shadow. Here we go, from watermark. Anyway, this is the bag after. It was extremely dirty. It looked horrible before, and now it's kind of hard to tell, but it is clean. Here we go. That's better, maybe. It's very clean, even here. And here's the back. Those shadows here look because of the fabric moves, but there we go. As you see, the bag looks way better than before. So don't be afraid to clean it. I mean, I wouldn't spend money if it was expensive and then put all this work, but if you get chance to get something inexpensive, then you can still put a little bit time and clean it very nice. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's the last shot of the two bags. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. And next video is gonna be about cleaning scratched leather. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.